In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up a P2P payment method on Gate. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile icon, then tap or click to your profile again. Inside, you can change your account settings, like your password or your nickname, or change your avatar picture. Now look at the setting icon located in the lower left of your screen, tap or click on it. Once inside the setting page, look for the payment setup settings. This is where you can manage the payment methods you'll use when trading with other users. Click Manage, then click Add Payment. Gate will display the payment options available in your country. These may include bank transfers, digital wallets, or other local payment services. Choose your fiats first, then choose the payment method you'd like to use. Then enter the required information, such as your bank name, account number, account holder's name, or your e-wallet account details, depending on the option you've selected. You may be asked to complete a security verification, such as entering an email verification code, SMS code, or your Google Authenticator code. After the verification is complete, your payment method will be added to your account and will be available whenever you buy or sell crypto through Gate's P2P marketplace. Be sure that all the information matches your verified identity on Gate. Using payment details that belong to someone else may cause your P2P transactions to fail or be restricted. Before accepting any trade, always confirm that you're using the correct payment method and never release your cryptocurrency until you've verified that the payment has been successfully received in your account. And that's it. You've successfully set up a P2P payment method on Gate.com.